Hi, Project Tomorrow SpeakUp Manager Sam Schroeder here with a brief tutorial on navigating your admin portal upon registering for SpeakUp 2425. In the last tutorial, I went over how you go about registering, and in this tutorial I will briefly go over what you will see in your admin portal once you log in for the first time after registering. Over here on the left hand side you will find your account settings, where you can edit your general account settings including your name, your title, and your email address. You will be able to confirm and make any edits to your district information. And we also encourage you to go in to your Schools tab and make any edits or deletions to the schools that we have on file. You will simply click Edit to edit a school. You would save and continue any edits, or you can completely delete a school. You can also add a school. Once the surveys are open, your Access Links tab is where you will access your survey links. I will be sending out a more in-depth video around how to access these survey links once our first survey is open. Once your stakeholders begin taking their surveys, you will be able to go to Participation Counts tab and see how many total surveys your stakeholders have taken, and you will also be able to see current data reports for the individual surveys, as well as download an Excel summary. I will also be providing an in-depth tutorial on accessing these data reports once that has become available. Thank you so much.